Okay, we're having a lovely walk in one of the beautiful streets of Leeds, and I thought that it was a good moment for me to share a thought with you guys. And this video is mainly for individuals that are afraid of using technology. I know that many of you that are watching the video may think that this is probably not for you, but I would have to say that you may probably know someone that is afraid to use technology, and it's comprehensible from the point of view that to comprehend technology you have to go through a lot of jargon, and the idea is to get the jargon out of the picture and try to show individuals that technology is not that complicated. And for us to be able to survive in this world, or in the digital world that we're facing now, we have to use technology. So get technology together, have sessions in which we explain to people in simple words what is technology and how to use it for their benefit, our own benefit. Everything that we're going through now is done through the internet. So having a basic knowledge of how to use, people are afraid because of scams and how they can get done, not knowing much about technology. But when you get to know the basics, it's not that difficult to protect ourselves. And everything starts from learning how to create passwords. And they're quite easy to create. People don't remember their passwords because it was someone else who made the passwords for them. But if they learn strategies or ways in which they can design their own passwords, they can be safe. Also, it's about knowing what to share online and who to share it. So get technology together tries to help individuals to become confident with the use of technology, but they can only become confident with the use of technology when they know what technology is in simple words. How to protect your identity, your data, your devices. It's not that difficult. It's a question of saying, I would like to participate, get technology together. Has beautiful way to put it, and it's called play, because we learn by playing. And the acronym means participate, learn, achieve, and innovate. So we're going to be able to innovate and make ourselves safer using technologies when we participate. So please visit our website. It's www.gtt.org.uk and see what we have available. This year, in one of our anniversaries, we would like to, God, it's a tough one because let me show you. This is very slippery. Anyway, trying to stay on my own 2 feet while I walk on this craziness, I would say, yeah, visit gtt.org.uk, find out about the courses that we are doing. This year we are going by donations. We comprehend that the situation, economic situation for everybody is quite difficult. So a donation will definitely do. Would be a lovely thing if you share this video with other individuals that need someone that help them to comprehend technology in simple ways, in simple words. We also need volunteers. If you have the heart to help people, to support people in this kind of journey, just get in touch. Fill one of the volunteer application forms, go through the interview process, and help us help others. And in that way, we all help each other. Anyway, beautiful people, thank you for the time that you have spent with us, and we'll see each other in the next one. Have a nice one. Look at a lovely view. Okay. Hasta la vista, amigos. See you soon.